If only you guys could see the crazy contraption I have set my camera up on right now, you would laugh. It is down at the bottom, it's a note card holder, and then I have this jar of sand here, and then this like plastic container thing right underneath. It's crazy, but I wanted a good angle, and I don't have a tripod, so I'm talking kind of quietly because my mom is home. Anyway, to the point. Today I feel really sick. I have a headache and a sore throat, and my eyes are dry, and I don't know, it's been kind of miserable like all day. I heard pink eyes going around, so I'm kind of scared I have that. But I just was playing, I went out, today, during school, my throat was so bad that I just went out to the nearby drugstore and got some cough drops. And I really like the sound of the bag. So I just felt like maybe some of you maybe you'd like it. I don't know. And I'm gonna eat one for your amusement. Okay, so these are Ricola cough drops, and it says natural herb cough drops, cough suppressant, and then throat drops. Fights coughs naturally, soothes sore throats from Switzerland. 21 drops, and this is what they look like. And they come in this cute little packaging. So I'll read you the back. This is gonna be quick, guys, because I have a lot of homework. Okay. Original Ricola natural herb cough drops are made today just as they were in the 1930s, using the highest quality natural herbs cultivated in Swiss alpine areas to ensure optimum taste and effectiveness. Oh no, they taste okay. If I have too many of them, I get really sick of them. So I have to pace myself. But damn, they do a good job. My nails are pink. I'm really like nude. I don't know. This is kind of short. Maybe if you're stressed out, like I am right now, I'm quite stressed out. I think that's why I'm sick. Maybe you should take a break and have a cough drop with me. Cough drops are the best. And there's like all these herbs on the side. They have the names, like this one's peppermint. There's, let's see, this one. This one is mallow. This one is elder. This one is thyme. This one's hyssop. This one is peppermint. This one is lemon balm. This one is wild thyme. This one is horsehound. And these are linden flowers. These are pretty cute. Yeah, so you should definitely go take some chill time, and I hope you guys are well. And if you're having a bad day right now, because I'm kind of having a bad day, go take a shower. I'm a firm believer that there are few emotional wounds that a warm shower can't help you with. Okay, well, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.